guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? The action is going on. For affirmative sentences, rule is subject plus ismr plus verb की first form plus ing plus other verb. For an example, he is doing his work. Next one is I am feeling good. You are thinking a lot. Next one is negative sentences. Rule is subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form of the verb plus ing plus other word. Continuous में first form के साथ हमेशा ing यूज होगा. For an example, she is not preparing food. I am not making excuses. It is not raining cats and dogs. Cats and dog means heavily. नेक्स्ट इज़ क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस. इसमें क्या होगा बच्चों, इज एम आर आगे लग जाएगा, स्टार्टिंग में सब्जेक्ट से पहले यूज़ होगा, प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब आई एन जी प्लस अदर वर्ड. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, आर यू कमिंग, एम आई फीलिंग गुड, इज रिंकी गोइंग टू पार्क. इंटेरोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस आई एन जी प्लस अदर वर्ड. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, आर यू नॉट गेटिंग कन्फ्यूज्ड. Can also say that, or aren't you getting confused. Next is, am I cleaning the house, isn't Tisha going to park. WH family. Who is calling me, why are you irritating me, what is he doing here. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. मिलते हैं next video में.